Hello traders, today is 2nd of November, Monday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. Just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis and the right side is the trade taken based on that analysis. As you can see on pound dollar, we already had this breakout as you can see on the analysis, and we were looking a pullback short if the price going to develop. So you can see the price nicely developed pullback, and we announced another short trade as soon as the price broke on another wedge. So we had a two beautiful pullback short trades on pound dollar today. Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward. As mentioned on the analysis, this was the pretty straightforward breakout. After the breakout, we had another beautiful two pullback short trade on Aussie dollar. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the pretty straightforward based on the momentum. Beautiful long trade breakout and price nicely hit to the profit target. Euro pound, pretty straightforward breakout. After the breakout pullback, long trade. Pound Swiss franc, as mentioned on the analysis, we were looking at pullback. We already had this pullbacks, as you can see, as mentioned on the analysis, and we announced through live audio commentary. We had beautiful pullback short trade, and afterwards we also had a breakout short trade on pound Swiss franc. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the breakout and beautiful. You can see the price nicely hit to the profit target. Dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the breakout long trade. Pound Swiss franc, as mentioned on the analysis, you can see that we're looking at pullback. As you can see, price broken and beautiful, pullback short trade, and we announced another one pullback short trade on pound Swiss franc. Pound yen, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Price nicely broken here, as mentioned here in the analysis, and afterwards we announce all these pullbacks. If you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish at this time. Here you can see this is another wedge breakout and price nicely respected. We announce all these trades through live audio commentary. As you can see, beautiful three short trade on pound yen, euro yen, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the breakout long trade, price nicely hit to the profit target, first profit target. Dollar CAD, beautiful consolidation breakout, short trade, nicely hit first profit target. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward consolidation breakout, long trade, price nicely hit to the 200 EMA. Aussie dollar, this was again as mentioned on the analysis because we were watching in 4 hour, price nicely respected at the support level, and we can see the price develop channel and consolidation and beautiful breakout, price nicely hit first target and the final target, which is the second EMA, second orange fifth channel. Beautiful long trade in Aussie dollar. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. This was the counter long trade breakout. After the breakout, beautiful another pullback long trade. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward breakout, and after the breakout, long trade you can see here in triangle pattern breakout. Dollar CAD, we already had this breakout. Short trade, bank some profit. Afterwards, as mentioned on the analysis, look for another pullback. And we mentioned if the price going to develop, at that time the price was developing it. So as soon as the price developed, another pullback. Beautiful, as you can see, short trade. As long as the momentum is bearish, any pullbacks towards the momentum will consider high probability trade. Beautiful short trade. Euro USD, pretty straightforward triangle pattern breakout short trade. Dollar yen, as mentioned on the analysis, that the first priority would be the pullback. We had another small pullback long trade and price nicely hit to the first target. Pound dollar consolidation breakout, beautiful short trade. And afterwards, we announced another pullback short trade as long as the momentum is bearish. Aussie dollar, as mentioned on the analysis, beautiful pullback long trade. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward pullback long trade. And dollar CAD, we already had short trades. Afterwards, the price developed another pattern. As you can see, beautiful breakout, and we stayed that trade as long as the momentum is bearish. Price stayed just below this trend resistance line. Beautiful, and as you can see, the price nicely hit to the first profit target. beautiful short trades on dollar CAD. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all this analysis detail. And if you would like to see all that analysis and the trade updates in real time with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have forex trading experience at all, we also provide forex coaching and training. Or even if you are struggling in forex trading, most welcome. Our platform give you the real live trading experience. You can develop your trading skill alongside with a professional trader, and you can see all that analysis and the trades in real time. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all these pips every single day alongside with our professional traders. So most welcome to join our fast growing trader community. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.